Guys, welcome back to video number 2. I was disconnected off of my last video because I was making I was talking about the Vidal powder and how you guys can take it. Let me see if I can get it. I was talking about this bottle. It doesn't come with the scooper, but this stuff works really good in your coffee, and it works really good in your smoothie and in your food. So this is supposed to help with your hair, your skin, your nails, and your bones. So I did started to make a video of this, and I showed a picture of my bullet, but I got disconnected on the first video. So I wanted to go ahead. I didn't want to delete it and make a new one, so I just went ahead and just started it on the second video. So, like I said, challenge yourself to make 6 videos a day. If you can do 7 also, that'll be great. But this is the reason why I'm doing it, because I feel like I'm not challenging myself too much. But for somebody that I had jobs before. I had millions of jobs before. I had jobs, working and things. But every time I get a job, I get jobs that close down. So since I don't make a lot of videos, I decided that I'm going to go ahead and start challenging myself to do at least 6 videos. And once I get used to making the 6 videos, I'm challenging myself to do at least 7 if I'm used to doing the 6. Because if you do challenge yourself, push yourself through the videos and push them out, you'll be able to, people will see it, and then hopefully it'll motivate them to do it. But, I mean, everybody has their own way of making videos and talking about things and, however they want to. Everybody has, because I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. A lot of people make their videos their own way. Some make videos of makeup. Some make videos of crafting. I did do a little bit of crafting on my videos. But right now I'm at the point where I'm moving next door, so I'm excited. Finally moving out of this apartment. But like I said, I don't want to stay here forever because I want to be independent and I want to be able to go and get my own house and, start getting my own place. So, because these apartments, to be honest, don't have washers and dryers. And I know I've said that on some of my videos. These apartments do not have washers and dryers. And they don't have dishwashers. It doesn't have a garage. You can't do nothing to these units because they're the ones that has to fix it. So I'm pretty sure you guys know about this. This is low income, but it's not Section 8. It's not Section 8. It's low income. So I want to be able to at least grow out of this. I was on FSS program, but they took me off because I took too long looking for a job. They gave me 5 years. And no, they've given me 5 years. They give you 5 years when you join the FSS program. And I was looking for a job, and it's like, since all the stores and everything are closing, I don't travel much. I'm always at home, so I was trying to look for something to see if I could do at home, which I'm still looking for. If you guys know of someone that needs somebody to work from home online, I still have a career coach that's helping me. But I mean, if you guys know anyone that can help me, just hit me up on this channel, leave a message or something, and then leave a link so that I can go visit. I mean, I've had links. I got links from another girl that's been sending me jobs, but I don't know. I don't know about those jobs. I don't know if they're legit or anything like that. I want something that's legit. I don't want nothing that's going to say, oh, you have to pay, and then it's not legit. If it ain't legit, you're going to sit here and you're going to tell me it's not legit, and then I end up spending money on something that's not legit. So I want something that's legit. I want a job. I want a work from home job that's going to be a legit job that's not going to ask me to make a payment. That's what I want. I don't want something that's going to say, oh, you have to make... Because last time I almost got scammed just for going on a video. She was going to charge me. I was like, no. And then it didn't even guarantee me a job. So I didn't even bother with that. But like I said, this stuff is good for your coffee. Anyway, the reason why I'm doing these videos is because I'm challenging myself to make 6 videos a day. I'm challenging myself. If you guys want to join in the challenge and you want to challenge yourself and you think you got what it takes to challenge yourself to do 6 videos a day, then do it. If you don't have what it takes, then don't do it. If you prefer to do 2 videos a day, fine, do 2 videos a day. But if you prefer to do 6 and you think you could do 7, that's going to be awesome too. But you really have to be on it. You can't be because making 6 videos is going to take